how to apply for DataForce voice record project. Hello guys, welcome back to Mubitech. If you are new here in my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel. So first thing you need before you start this project, you need to have your proxy. So you need to go to a website where you get your proxy. So I'm always recommending this proxy. So I'll be dropping the link in the comment section and also group description. So do well to get your residential proxies, you understand? So when you get to Jonix, you'll be able to get your residential proxy as quick as possible. So let me just click it. You can see I've already generated proxies. I've generated a lot of proxies. You can also watch our videos, our other videos channel on how to generate this Jonix proxy. It's very important. So you need this. So the next thing you're going to need is what you also need. You need to download the DataForce application. So you can go to your app store to download it. You go to your app store to download it. And go to the app store. Go to the app store. So you go to the app store or your Play Store to download it. Either App Store or Play Store. DataForce. So here's it. You can download it from the App Store. So I've already downloaded mine. So when you're done, so the next thing you're going to do, I'll drop a link, the link of this current project that we're doing. So I'll be dropping the link so that you can register. You understand? You can also apply the link. So all right, let's head to our browser so that we'll continue. So where's my Brave browser? So all right, if I post the link, don't forget I'll be dropping the link, and also when they ask you who referred you, just say Moop, and that is the first name, and the last name, that is the surname, is Tech, then the email address. Don't forget to put that. When doing the registration, you see everything. So just watch what I'm doing. So you're gonna see there are a lot of projects there. So all you need to do, just create accounts. As a beginner, do have to create an account. So what you need to do now, just come here. Our email I want to use. Let's see, where's the email address? Okay, I'll go to my email address. I just want to go and copy the email address I want to use. So I'm sorry. Go to your browser. I want to create an account. So you see, I'll just close it. So just put first name and the last name. Continue and create account. Alright, this is why it's generating account. So okay, I'll have to go to the email address to verify. So let me read the message we sent you, journal. Okay. Alright, the email account just arrived. I think good. Sorry. So look at it. So all I need to do now is I need to copy this. So I'll copy this. I'll copy it here. So then verify the email. Thank you for verifying your email address. Please click continue below to create your password. So all you need to do now is just come here. Create your password, you understand? Create your password. So you can create a strong password. So it generates. So we have successfully created our account. Good. So we have successfully created our account. So I'm gonna pause this video, then I'll see. I just want to confirm this video is recording. So I'm doing voiceover. I just see that the sound of the video recording I did was not recording, so the sound didn't come out. So you just have to register. You understand? You also have to go through the process. Go through your information. You understand? So you see how easy it is. You can navigate around. Just navigate, play around. Go to your work platform. So when you're done, you can go to. You checked. Go to my data. Force information. This way you should be able to see your project, home, jobs, qualify. When you qualify for project, understand the project will be added here. Understand available job will be added here. So that's it. So the next part now I'm going to the part where I'll see available jobs. You understand? So okay, so we're heading to the part. So I'm going to click on what data source. This is where you see information that you can do. So yeah, this part you can select the type of job that you want. You can also select the destination, whether there's a job in your region or there's no job in your region. So you have to pick. So there's it. So I'm just checking if there's a job available in my region. So let's watch and see. So just go through it. So we can see also we'll check for South Africa. You can see right. So see that these are available jobs in South Africa. If you are in South Africa, you can do this job. This job is for you. Can go along and play around this through. So let's see again. So let's search for United States. So we can see available jobs in United States. So just go. So you go through this. You can do all these if you're in US on site. There are on-site jobs also. So this is it. This is where I'll see if I've already qualified for a job. Then they'll take me to this part. So let's go through it. Let's walk through it. See. So I just want to log in and log in my main account. So I'll be logging in my main account so that I'll show you guys how to go about it. Currently there is a job available for you to apply, so we are trying to apply the job now. So as soon as we got the job, you should be able to do the job. You understand? So the job will now be available. It now show you that here's available job. So now we are applying for that job. So do well to also check the link in the comment section and also in the description so that you get the link and also apply for the course. You understand? The job. So it doesn't matter whether you are from the US, you can also apply it. Just know that okay, you're based in US, but it's not your mother tongue. It's not your mother tongue, just a native speaker speaking language. So you can use any language of choice, just so you're from so they just apply. Keep applying with different formats. Anyone you got the offer, you can just do it. You understand? You can do many different ways of respond. Anyone that accepts you should be able to do it. As soon as you qualify for the project, you should be able to do it. So these are my payments. These are proof of payment. You understand? These are proof of payment that I got. Just that I've not been putting button in this update. You understand? I've not been but you know they are offers and they pay. These guys they pay massive. So these are low key updates. You understand? So I'll just try and show you guys my account, my active account. So these are mode of payment. So the mode of payment, you can edit it. Different mode of payment, you understand? Just go check around, play around with it. So you can use either electronic fund transfer, PayPal, gift card. You understand? These are the modes of payment. So go back. Ooh. Alright, so let's see what next again. What next? So I think that is all. So guys, Don't forget to leave a comment below. Just leave us a good comment. Thank you, Coach Mubitech Guru. If you know that you benefit this, you enjoy this update, and do what to subscribe our channel. If you are new, please help us to subscribe and like and comment. Thank you.